I don't give a fuck about you. I don't care about you. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want anything to do with you. I just want you to do me a favor. Creepy officer tries to make me snitch. So the situation in this video, whether you've seen it or not, I'm going to go ahead and play it just because it's a learning experience through the video for this guy. Creepy officer tries to make me snitch, gets angry when I don't. And he's there looking for someone who lives at the house, but not the guy he's talking to. And let's see how he's treated here.
Through the window.
I'm not letting you in either way.
Okay.
But I'm just saying what the officer did. He acted like he was Blake's friend. I didn't know who's creeping right here next to me.
Mm-hmm.
So I asked him who he was. He said, I'm Blake's friend. Obviously, I can't see that well.
Okay.
Because I'm inside.
Okay.
And so he needs to make himself known that, because I thought it was like some weird guy.
Okay, well, here's the deal. I'm Officer Balloon, St. Augustine Police Department, okay? Blake lives here, right?
As far as I know, yeah.
Okay.
So that was the first, here's the deal. That's not a good sign.
So here's the deal.
Oh my God, number 2.
We need to talk to Blake. Can you let us in? We're not here for you. I don't care whatever you're doing in here. I just want to see if Blake's here. That's it.
First of all, you need to change your tone if you want to come in this house, okay? So you're asking me to do you a favor and come in the house, right? Yet you're talking to me in this disrespectful tone. So what you need to do is back it up a little bit and apologize and ask again, motherfucker.
I'm not going to let you in.
May I ask why not?
Because I don't
Because you're
associate with the police or with Blake. I'm a
Okay.
neutral person here.
Okay. Do you like having the cops at your house every single night?
I don't know.
that's pretty much like a threat, it sounds.
I just got back. I don't know what you guys been doing.
Jesus Christ. Okay, here's the deal, dude.
Jesus isn't going to like that one.
Here's the deal. I'm assuming you're recording me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I really don't care about that. Here's the deal. We need to talk to Blake.
All I can tell you is Blake is legit not here from what I see.
Okay, well, everybody else has lied to me here.
What have they said?
They've said he's not here when he's been here.
Oh, well, I just got back in town, so I
cool.
wouldn't know.
So here's the deal. You let us in. We look in his room real quick. We're out of your hair. That's it. I don't care. I don't want to associate with you. I don't want to talk to you other than that. You can go about your business. Okay? I got nothing for you. Okay? I don't care what you're doing in here. Your business is your business.
So did you guys catch that? I don't give a fuck about you. I don't care about you. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want anything to do with you. I just want you to do me a favor. Did you catch that? You know, now the thing about this officer here is this officer doesn't realize he's asking for a favor. And the reason he doesn't realize that is because everyone he asks for a favor bends over and takes it up. Right? And so that happens so many times that a favor becomes now I'm asking you a favor is a requirement. It moves from a request to a requirement. I think we could look for forced coupling. That's what I usually look for in an interaction like this, where this guy wants to force couple himself with the guy he's interacting with, so he can say, "We just need to get this clear." That's the "we" is the forced coupling. You know, so we're not doing this. Sometimes you see people get approached in videos and they say, "We don't allow recording here," or they say, "We can't have you recording here," as if they have you recording there. Like you're together, you know, but you're not together.
All I'm asking is that you let me look in his room real quick, and we're out of your hair.
Why do you keep making it seem like I'm doing something? Like I don't have no issues with anything. It's just I don't associate with you. Okay. I don't need the police's help.
You were super chill here the other night.
Yeah, I am. I didn't have. If you guys were in here, what am I gonna do? Nothing. Like you guys do your job. I'm not gonna help you with your job. I'm not gonna stop you. I'm just gonna do my business. So I'm not gonna let you in. I just don't appreciate, someone just coming in my yard and saying he's Blake's friend. And I thought it was some weird. Maybe it was Blake's friend. He's weird or something. I don't know Blake like that.
Okay.
And it was creepy. So I just didn't want that to happen again.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. I'm standing right here.
Okay.
Okay. So is that the 5th or 6th? Here's the deal.
Okay. I can stay here all night.
Of course, because he's drunk on government milk. He's literally leeching off the taxpayer. He does not care. This is not what a productive man looks like. A productive man creates products and goods and services and other things that people want to consume voluntarily. That's not what this person does. This person just drinks and sucks milk all day long. And he has all night to drink milk. He's a milk drinker.
Okay.
I really don't care.
As long as I know you're a good-looking, safe man, you're not gonna be weird or
No, I'm not going to be weird. In fact, I would like to leave this place.
Yeah.
So if you would let me inside, just take a look at Blake's room real quick to verify he's not here, I will leave this place and probably not come back.
Yeah. So if the dude will just waive his rights, just waive his Fourth Amendment rights, open the door, let the cop in, let the cop come in and search, then that would be no problem. Why is he causing all of this Fourth Amendment problem? You know, this is what an oath taker sounds like nowadays.
I'm not going to help
Costume.
you with that.
Okay, so you and me are going to get real acquainted real quick. I'm going to be here all night.
As for the only thing I can tell you is his cat's not here. He's not here. I don't know if he's coming in when I'm not here, but I just got back.
Why is his room open?
That's what I'm saying.
Does he normally leave it open?
No, he probably dipped out. He's gone. That's what I'm telling you guys. He always keeps his door locked. So he probably dipped out. His cat's not here.
Is his Xbox and stuff here? His PlayStation?
I have no idea. I didn't go inside his room. I just knocked and he didn't answer. And his cat's usually on the window. When I was this morning, his cat's not there on the window.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you do what you gotta do. I don't have a problem with it. I'm not gonna help you either.
Okay.
All right, man.
Super cool. Well, just so you're aware, if he's here and you're lying to me, you're going to jail too.
All right.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then you and me will get real well acquainted. 10-4?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
All right, Mr. Balloon.
ID number 2955. I'll see you here in a little bit.
All right.
Yep.
So did you see how comfortable he was given his name and ID number? See how comfortable he is? You see that? That's how comfortable he is given his name and ID number, acting like that. He's not interacting with the criminal. He's interacting with the law-abiding citizen. And the citizen wants to do nothing except just exercise his Fourth Amendment rights. That's it. I don't want to let you in the house. That's all he wants to do. But the oath taker, the guy who's sworn to uphold and defend, right, the same principle that the guy is trying to exercise, is now going to be there all night. Now he wants to take the guy to jail. Why does he want to take the guy to jail? Because the guy exercised the rights that he's sworn to protect. That's how everything works in clown world.